Okay, so in the previous video we saw that we removed our style.css file here and then we committed our application or we saved our application. And if we see that this was the last commit which we made, that is we removed this style.css file. So what if we want to undo this commit? That is we do not want to remove our style.css file. We want it back. So how do we do that? It is pretty simple to do again. So firstly, we need to copy this commit ID from here. That is any commit which you want to revert. So let's copy this commit ID and let's quit from this editor there. And what we need to do now, we can simply need to do git revert and then the commit ID which we want to revert. So let's do that. Let's do this. And now we have this thing here. That is this ugly looking thing. Don't worry about this thing here. It's simply a Vim editor. And here, what we simply need to do, we simply need to press escape and :WQ. That is write and quit like this. And now we see that is we have reverted this removed style.css. So does that mean that the previous commit was removed from the commit history? So let's check it one more time using git log --one line. And now we see that we have one more commit. Instead, we simply wanted to remove this commit from here. That is, we did not want to do this thing here that we did here, that is removed style.css. But here we see that we have one more commit here with this ID here. And here it says revert. And then in the quotes, we have this thing here. That is the message present here. And it simply means that we have made one more commit, but instead we just reverted what happened here inside this commit. Sorry guys for these commit IDs because I have to recreate my projects because I just messed up my Git repo. So just don't worry about this. But here we see that we have this commit here, that the last commit was this commit here, where we just reverted this commit. That is where we removed style.css. And in this commit, we do not have the style.css file. And in this commit, we see that we have this style.css file back again. So what if we want to revert back again to this commit? That is, we again want to remove style.css that existed in this commit. So what we can do, we can again copy the commit ID from here. And what we can do, we can go back and we can again type git revert and then the commit ID we want to revert. And we need to press enter. And again, we are inside this editor here. So where we see, we have this statement here that is revert, and the revert removed style.css, that was the commit message of the commit ID we just pasted in. So what we can do, either we can use this message here or we can write our own message. To write our own message, we simply need to press A, that is on your keyboard, and we can delete this message from here, that is the complete message from here. And here we can again say removed style.css, and then we press escape and :WQ through write and quit. And now we press enter again. And we see that we have removed style.css, that was the commit message. And if we make the log statement here, that is git log --one line, we see that we have again a new commit that reverted this commit, and this commit was reverted this commit. So we see that we have our own message here instead of this revert statement. But typically it's a good idea to keep this revert keyword here, as we have seen here that we have not kept the revert keyword here, but it's always a good idea to keep the revert keyword here. So now let's again revert this ID back where we can get back our style.css file. So then we can start upon this tutorial. So let's revert that again. Let's simply press :W and Q and let's log the statements like this. And we see that we are here at this thing here, and we have one more revert here. So this is how you revert a commit which you want and which you don't want.